Hey, so if you are looking for that complete coverage and that true coverage around your car, especially during parking mode, like if your car is parked in an isolated place or in an area where you feel there might be people who are trying to peek inside the car or look into the car or damage your car, the VIOFO A329S combined with its fisheye cabin camera, I think is the perfect solution for you. I mean, in my previous video, you saw how good the fisheye cabin camera looks, the footage from this camera looks. But I thought, why not show you a kind of a comparison between how a regular cabin camera looks and how this fisheye cabin camera brings such a drastic change and improvement over the previous generations of the cabin cameras. Just take a look. Alright, so here's a sample of a regular cabin camera or the interior camera recording inside the car. I mean, you can see that it covers like half of the driver's side window, maybe a bit of the rear windshield, but that's it. There's no passenger side window covered, there is no steering wheel or the dashboard area covered, and pretty much the quality is also kind of looks average. But what if you could go from that to this? So this is the fish eye lens of the VIOFO A329S, and isn't this a stunning footage? Covers both driver and passenger side window along with the rear windshield, shows you the steering wheel to some level, the dashboard, and in the corners to some level the front windshield as well. Extreme clarity, extreme coverage. This is the ultimate cabin camera. So now you might ask me, like, what's the real practical use of having such a wide angle lens? I mean, why would you even prefer this camera over the other one? Is that really gonna make such a huge difference? Well, here's my answer. Take a look. So here's a parking mode sample which I activated from this camera using the time-lapse 1 FPS mode. And if someone approaches the passenger side window, this is the view which you're gonna get using only the cabin camera. You can easily recognize if somebody is trying to break in or trying to peek inside the car, maybe to try and take a look at your valuables or something that you might have kept in the car. This camera, this cabin camera, because of its ultra wide lens, is able to cover the windows and give you the complete picture, and to some level even the identification of the person even during night time. So what happens if the person moves back to the rear windshield? This is the view which you're gonna get. The camera is able to record the person peeking through the rear windshield as well. And what happens if this person, most probably, which in most times comes through the driver's side window, you still get a good view of the person getting in, or should I say trying to get in or trying to take a peek through the driver's side window as well. The entire surrounding of the car is covered using this single fisheye camera, and this is the ultimate parking mode camera which you should definitely get to get this level of monitoring and to get this level of safety for your car. So the kind of near 360-degree coverage around the car using only the cabin camera is unheard of in the dashcam market, and the VIOFO A329S combined with its fisheye lens cabin camera gives you that perfect coverage, especially during parking monitoring. So if you want to have that complete protection of your car during parking mode or even during driving time, not just for parking mode, this is the ultimate camera which you should go ahead with. So if you are interested in checking out this camera, or even if you're interested in purchasing it, go ahead, grab it right now. The purchase links are given in the description below. And for those of you who feel the camera is a bit pricey, well, you're gonna get 5% discount straight up on the price if you use the link given in the description and place a COD or a cash on delivery order. Just make sure to pay the amount directly to VIOFO once you are contacted by them on WhatsApp. So lastly, I would say that the fisheye cabin camera is one of the most practical and most useful feature VIOFO has now implemented in its top tier model. You should definitely get this camera for a complete peace of mind. That being said, if this video has helped you out in any way, and if this video has added to your level of knowledge, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who want to keep themselves and their cars completely safe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.